1961 Chevrolet C-10 pickup restored. The 1961 Chevrolet C-10 pickup isn't just a classic truck, it is an American icon reborn, representing the prime of the first-generation Chevrolet C-K truck lineage. This meticulously restored C-10 combines vintage style with modern performance, craftsmanship, and drivability that surpasses its factory origins. With a GM350 CI Crate V8 engine, TH350 automatic transmission, four-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, and air conditioning, this truck stands as a perfect embodiment of what a classic truck should be: timeless, powerful, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. From the moment you glance at its silhouette, you can see what makes the early C-10 pickups so cherished by collectors and enthusiasts alike. The body lines of this truck reflect a design era when utility and beauty coexisted. Gracefully, the smooth curvature of the fenders flowing effortlessly into the hood and cab. The crisp definition of the bed panels seamlessly integrated into the overall shape. And the classic short bed stance that gives the truck a balanced, purposeful profile. The finish on this C-10 is unmistakable, rich, deep, and immaculately restored paint that catches light in a way that draws your eye to every contour. The chrome accents, bumpers, grille, and trim gleam without flaw, suggesting a level of care that is rare for vehicles over 6 decades old. Unlike trucks that have been left to languish in rust and neglect, this pickup has clearly been treated with respect and preservation in mind, restoring its original luster while keeping its vintage soul intact. Stepping around the truck, one is reminded that the 1961 Chevrolet C-10 was part of a watershed generation. Chevrolet introduced the C-K line only a year earlier, evolving the design from previous truck models into something that felt both functional and stylish. The C-10 name, denoting a 1/2-ton two-wheel drive pickup, quickly became a favorite among builders, farmers, hot rodders, and collectors because of its straightforward mechanics and balanced proportions. But what sets this truck apart from a typical classic C-10 is the frame-off restoration and powertrain upgrade. Beneath the hood lives a GM350 cubic-inch crate V8, a modern heart in a vintage body. This engine delivers robust power and torque that the original inline-6 or small-block V8 options of the early 1960s could only dream of. The equivalent of all those classic Chevy pickups that left the factory with modest horsepower, sometimes as low as 110-150 HP from early 6s, this 350 delivers performance that feels lively and confident even on modern highways. The engine's characteristic deep rumble announces its presence long before the truck has gathered speed. It is a sound that evokes both nostalgia and excitement, the kind that makes onlookers turn their heads and vintage lovers smile with recognition.